Okay, to make this, you just need a potted plant. You can use hyacinths or like I did these daffodils, tulips, some moss, and a terracotta pot. In the bottom, I just put a little bit of dirt in the bottom. I'll give it a little bit more here. Sprinkle it in the bottom. And then I'm going to just plant my daffodils. I'm going to put them in there. I'm going to add my dirt. Can you go get me some water? I'll just layer dirt in around here. All around. Tulip planter shovel works as well, but mine's out in the garage and it's so cold today, I decided to use this instead. My frozen little body can stay away from the cold. It's really cold here today. We got winds of about gusting up to 90. So cold and miserable, but it's spring in the house. I think I'll give it one more. I know you could do these by planting bulbs and forcing the bulbs in the garage and all that stuff, but I don't have a green enough thumb. I don't trust them to actually work. So this is my foolproof way. I bought them already planted. I'm going to give them just a little bit of water. I had watered the daffodils before I put them in here. Okay, and let's seep down just a little bit. And then I'm going to give it some messy moss. Just stuff the pot in between. You can dress it with a pretty ribbon in front, or put in a sign, or even a little bunny, a couple of eggs if you want, but I want mine minimalist, just like this. I'm already done. All that's left is cleaning up the mess. Hope you like it.